Hi, welcome back everyone. In this video I have here a SkyProdigy telescope that can auto align, and it's not working, and when I had a look at it I noticed that a couple of the pins were pushed down and bent because as it rotates sometimes the hand controller can get tangled, resulting in breaking this port. And so you could replace this port, but that would require a heat gun or a soldering iron. I was just using a little pick here, and I was able to bend the pins back. And so then when you connect the hand controller, it can control the telescope. Then when I plugged in the hand controller and flipped the little switch on the back, I saw it turned on, but it said bootloader serial error. And I believe that this was because there was not enough power to the machine. You can see that the screen is going off. So it comes with this power source here, which is using some D 1.5 volt batteries. And when I pulled out my multimeter and I measured the voltage across the top pins here, you should read 12 volts, and I wasn't nearly reading that. So I knew that there could have been an issue with the power supply. So after taking it apart, I had to look at all the batteries, and you want to make sure that you have full batteries. It should measure about 1.7 volts for the batteries. And after I measured, a lot of them were 1.3 volts, and therefore it wasn't getting enough voltage, so it was giving me that error on the machine. But after replacing all those batteries and fixing that port, I was able to get the telescope fixed.
This one's dead as well. These are all 1.8. It's 1.3. 1.3. These seems to be all 1.3. Seems to be going really slow. But seems to be working. Anyways, this Celestron, the problem was these pins were bent. I just bent them back, and I'm just going to leave that connected. Just don't take that off, because it seems to be working now. There are replacement ports that you can get, but that's if something's really broken. In this case, just having that always plugged in, I think it should be okay with the remote. You can see it's aligned up there, and then the telescope can mount on there, and then this can look into the sky. And then it shows you the degrees Right here it shows you the degrees in minutes. I believe it's called minutes. And it's changing there. So I have the Skytron Celestial viewer, and it seems to be working right now. I just put it into the normal mode. The switch is right here, and you can rotate it just using the controller here. If it's doing an align, you can always hit back several times to get it into its normal mode. But if I press the up moves the eyepiece that looks left and right. So I'm just putting the up and down right here. So you can see that eyepiece is moving there. And then left and right, it rotates the whole base thing right here. So right now, if you press left, it's rotating counterclockwise and then to the right here. So you can also change the motor speed. Right now I have it 9. I don't know if we can increase that. That's 6. That's super slow. Nine's a lot faster. Okay. So we have database, all that stuff. It says up and down. Hand control, view, time location, star sense, telescope, database. Just gonna go back. It's not moving right now, it's just in this, and then put it here, and then I'm gonna turn off this. You can see the power button there. It should be a solid red light. 12 volts here. If you don't have a battery pack, you could actually use a DC adapter 12 volts. There we go.